Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Sarah versus Sewing. I'm Sarah, and today I will be making a tutorial of how to use a ruffler foot for your home machine. This is the first time that I'm going to use it. This is what it looks like. I've had it for a little while now, but it just always looked a little complicated to use, so I just always did like the regular basting stitch gather. But I have a project behind me that's gonna require some gathers, so I will be using it today. Why not? You know, I've been wanting to test it out, so let's just go for it. This is the first time, like I said, that I will be using it, so we're going to be learning together. I looked up a tutorial, didn't seem too bad, but things always go wrong. That's why my channel is Sarah versus Sewing. It's always kind of a fight sometimes. So anyways, yeah, so I'll be using this and let's just figure this out as we go. Okay, so I'm currently watching the video again right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay, but yeah, so I'm
along with the shank. So loosen the shank screw. Now you see this U shape. This fork of this arm should rest on it. Along with that, ruffling blade will move forward and backward, which now tighten the screw. Tighten it completely.
Okay, right now she's just going over the different functions of it, or everything that you can do with it.
Put in the first row. Now place the fabric to be ruffled or gathered between the ruffling blade and the separator blade. That is, the fabric goes here.
Okay, first thing we're gonna do is remove the presser foot. So I'm going to do that. Okay. This is so interesting to me. I just always wonder who invents this stuff. I don't think I could ever really think to invent something like that. I don't know, it's just so cool to me. Even the invention of the sewing machine, I'm like, who even really thought of that? Anyways, getting off topic. Yeah. Now she's kind of showing the amount of ruffles you can have. You can change the amount.
When you set this to a smaller number, lesser gathers or small tucks are formed.
I'm just gonna watch a little bit more of the video and see how she uses it, and then I'll get back with you guys. Okay, that was easy enough. Yeah, little did I know that was about the easiest thing in this video. It was my fault to why it was challenging, but yeah, let's get into that. Okay, sometimes I use quarters. Honestly, most of the time I will use a quarter. I don't know where the small little screwdriver is, so the next best thing. But don't be like me. But I'm just letting you know, in case you ever run into this problem. Just a quarter. How did I tighten this so tight? Gosh dang. Okay. Move that. Oh, okay. Okay, let me watch this video again. Okay, so yeah, I looked at the video again. I literally just watched it 5 seconds ago. I already forgot. So what you need to do, this needs to get placed underneath here, and that gets placed on the other side. the other thing. I don't know. I think she called it like a shaft or something. So slips on like that. I'm going to replace this. I had to take mine like all the way off because it was like not easy to get it on with it on, so I took it off. So I'm gonna put it back on. Try to put it back on like this. Takes me a little bit, but it took me a little bit, but I got there. Okay. I think. I hope. Hope and I pray. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah, my needle. I need to move it. Okay. Turn on the machine. Alright. I'm gonna adjust my needle position over. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, no. Something right there, it's not like moving. I feel like it should move. Okay. Why is that? What is that? Okay. Right? Hang on, let me try this again. Try this again. Okay. Clicking noise is good. Oh, so should be good. I'm going to add the screw back in. I don't know. Oh, it's good now. Let's see. No, it's not. Oh, okay. So when I add the screw, okay, no, that's a lie. I just had to. So clicky, cool. Okay, I don't know what else. Okay, because I'm like, that screw has nothing to do with anything. There we go. And you guys wonder why things are challenging sometimes, especially when it comes to sewing. I'm not trying to make it difficult, it just sometimes it's. Alrighty. I mean, there was instructions that came with my thing. Did I read those instructions? No, I did not. It was a lot of writing, to be honest, and I'm a visual learner, so it helps me to look at videos or pictures to see what I'm doing, and there was no pictures and instructions, so yep. Alright, let's see. No, it doesn't move. Oh wait, yes it is. Okay, it's just difficult, but it does move now. Okay. I don't think it was moving before. I just wasn't like rotating it enough, but it just felt like it was gonna break if I did. This makes me nervous. Not gonna lie. But the clicking is actually a good noise, and that's usually not the case, but it is. So, anyways, I'm gonna set mine up like she had hers, or it is set up like she had hers. Mine's, I guess, is a little bit different. Mine doesn't actually have like a knob really to move something. I forget in the video what she said it was. I'll have to go back and get that information. It's been like 15 minutes now since I last watched it because I was fooling around with this trying to get it to work, but now it seems to be fine. Yeah, so she had like a little like dowel, I don't know what you would call it, where this thing, if she tighten it or loosen it, controlled something else, but I don't think I have that. Like, I have this, but I don't know what it does. There's no thing to move, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. So, but I have this in the number 1 position, and then she had her stitch length, it was at 2, I believe. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I just did. And now I'm gonna test it. Let's see how it works. So this is just up close and personal real quick. So as I was saying, like in the video, she had something else right here that I believe was controlled by this, but I don't have. But anyways, so I have this part connected there, that bolt. I have that going under there with the arm, and I have it set in number 1 position, and mine is, what is that, 1, 6, 12 and a star. I'm curious to see what that star does. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to test it out. Sorry, I know my machine is like dirty, just ignore that please, and thank you. So I'm going to slip the fabric in under here and underneath that, and hopefully this works out well. We'll see. So here's my fabric that I'm going to be testing with. It's just some old scrap fabric. So yeah. Here goes nothing. I'm literally so scared for this. This is why I haven't tested this out yet. I'm like scared to use it because I've never done it before. But okay, yeah, that slips under there. Do I want it that much though? Like, how far over do I slip this through? Like, all the way? I guess we'll try it. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Please let this go, oh Lord. Man. Okay. Oh gosh, I gotta. Okay. Put the presser foot down. You want to make sure it's down before you start. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. It's doing something. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, yes. That is cool. It's starting to make little pleats. Oh, but mine is different from how hers looked. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's not, guys. False alarm. My thread isn't. Oh, I forgot to rethread my needle. That would help, guys. False alarm. Yeah, make sure to thread your needle back if you took your needle out. Oh gosh. Automatic threader still works with all this nonsense going on. Well, I'm gonna slide this back to the top. Let's try this again. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, okay. I don't know why that scared me again. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Is everything good this time? Why is it getting caught up there? Okay. I guess you gotta kind of hold it down. Oh, yes. It's catching. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now I'm Oh, okay, stop. Ooh. Ooh, that doesn't sound good, guys. It really doesn't sound great, but it's working, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna just test this out a little bit more. Hang on. Oh, those are, oh, that's lovely. Oh, look at that. Let me get you guys closer. Look, oops, too close. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That looks good. To see if I can get different types of ruffles and pleating and whatnot out of this thing. Yeah, I want to see what that star does. Yeah, so I didn't watch the video all the way through because I got so excited and I wanted to try it out myself. So she probably said what the star button does, oh wait, that's stupid. My little arm doesn't even fit in the notch of the star. Don't. Oh, okay, so maybe it's just like nothing then. I think the star means like it's not gonna pleat. Interesting. Let me just try tightening this then and see what that does and put it on 6. Loose threads, you can still like pull the threads in the fabric. Oh, okay. Like, I don't know why that's surprising to me, but because I've been trying to figure out, like, if I ruffle it too much, will I still be able to move the threads so I can fit the garment the way I need it to be fitted? But yeah, if you have like a looser cinch length, you can do that. Yeah. Yeah, that's about all the testing I'm gonna do today. Sorry if you guys wanted like more of a in-depth too, but that is not this video. Yeah, that's this video. I think that's pretty much how I tried. I don't know if it was a fail or not, but I don't think it was a fail. I just think it was like a half success. If that's even a thing. Can you halfway succeed at something? Yeah, why not? It's a half one. So that was this little guy here that I was testing out. Yeah, pretty much now I'm gonna go straight into using it on my project that I'm working on. Hopefully I don't mess things up, because I already messed things up and I had to like somewhat start over on it, and it's like a whole thing. But hopefully I don't screw it up using this thing, but we'll see. That's all we can do. But that's gonna be the end of the video, and until next time, everybody, take care. Bye.